to express it, but there's something special about this man. I really need to find him again. Oh, just like a bell it is ringing, and like a phone it is beeping, beeping right in my head. I'm supposed to tender an apology to him, saying I'm sorry for everything I've done to you. I'm sorry.
The same number that I just called you.
I say I'm sorry. I know I really hurt you. Anything where you be, oh, find a place in your heart to forgive me, oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I think I'm in love, oh. Why am I feeling this way?
You are going out?
Yes. You didn't tell me you were coming.
Why are you not taking your calls?
Oh, sorry. I was driving and I forgot to return the call.
Oh, you forgot. You sent Franca to pick your things in my room. Why?
Well, I have need for them. So yeah, that's why I sent her.
I see. What of your parents?
Went out. I need to leave.
Oh, come on. Come on, girl. You're beautiful. I have missed you. Let's go to your room.
Oh, sorry. That wouldn't be necessary. I'm off to see someone.
Come on, wait. Okay? Are you denying me your body now?
Greg, I'm not just in the mood. Please. I'll see you when I'm back. Take care.
Greg, she said you should take care. The girl said you should take care. I should take care. I will take care. I will take care.
Okay. I just need you to hear me out. Please, listen to me. Okay. Yes, I know. I know I lied to you. I know I...
Hey.
I know I broke your heart. I'm a bad girl. I know I'm a bad girl. I know I accept. You can call me anything you want. Anything. You can even hate me for the rest of your life. So good.
Aren't you ashamed to come here to talk all these rubbish?
I'm ashamed. Yes, I am ashamed.
Alright.
You're a good person. I don't deserve you. You don't. But the little moment we share together, I know I will cherish it for the rest of my life. Just find a place in your heart to forgive me and I'll be fine.
Are you done?
Just forgive me.
Yeah, listen. You see me, I've moved on. You understand? I've moved on. I'm okay. I'm fine. You understand? I'm fine without you. You understand? I've moved on. So if you are asking for forgiveness, I'm forgiving you. But just please leave me alone.
Thank you very much.
It's better. Leave me alone. Thank you. I wish you all the best too. You can go. You can go now. Again?
Hi.
Again? What is it now? What is it? You want to come here and insult me too? You want to come here and tell me I'm poor, I'm wretched? That's what you want to come and tell me?
Please, can you calm down?
Calm down for what now?
Please, I'm not here for this.
Then what are you here for?
I'm here to apologize to you, to say that I'm very sorry. I mean, I'm deeply, deeply sorry for my outbursts. You didn't give me the opportunity to say I'm sorry for my tantrum.
I beg, leave all this plenty English. You people should just leave me alone. You people should leave me alone. After walking out of me, I beg, you should leave me alone. I beg.
I don't know how to place it. I don't know how to express it. But there's something special about this man. I really need to find him again. Oh, I just like a bell, it is ringing. And like a phone, it is beeping, beeping right in my head. I'm supposed to tender an apology to him, saying I'm sorry for everything I've done to you. I'm sorry. Please accept my apology. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. Why I say I'm sorry. I know I really hurt you. Anything where you be, oh, find a place in your heart to forgive me, oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I think I'm in love, oh. Why am I feeling this way? It's still ringing again, like a ding dong. I think I'm in love, oh. Why am I feeling this way? I don't know how to place it. I don't know how to express it. But there's something special about this man. I really need to find him again. Oh, I just like a bell, it is ringing. And like a phone, it is beeping, beeping right in my head. I'm supposed to tender an apology to him, saying I'm sorry for everything I've done to you. I'm sorry. Please accept my apology. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. Why I say I'm sorry. I know I really hurt you. Anything where you be, oh, find a place in your heart to forgive me, oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Please, can we talk tomorrow? I'm feeling dizzy. I need to sleep. Thank you. Bye.
I think I'm in love, oh. Why am I feeling this way? Oh, I don't know how to place it. I don't know how to express it. But there's something special about this man. I really need to find him again. Oh, I just like a bell, it is ringing.
What is wrong with me? I've never felt this way in my entire life. Why am I feeling this way? Why? I can't even sleep. I just can't.
I know I really hurt you. Anything where you be, oh, find a place in your heart to forgive me, oh. Whoa, whoa.
Oh my gosh. Why is this dude's number not connecting? Why is it not connecting? Why is it not connecting?
I don't know how to place it. I don't know how to express it. But there's something special about this man. I really need to find him again. Oh, I just like a bell, it is ringing. And like a phone, it is beeping, beeping right in my head. I'm supposed to tender an apology to him, saying I'm sorry for everything I've done to you. I'm sorry. Please accept my apology. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. Why I say I'm sorry. I know I really hurt you. feeling this way? It's still ringing again, like a ding dong. I think I'm in love. Oh. Why am I feeling this way? Oh,
Greg, what are you doing here? Are you not supposed to be in your room?
But I'm kind of trying to.
Stop! Drop this thing in your hand before you talk. Drop it.
Alright.
Go ahead. What is it?
Mother, Eva is changing gradually. She's kind of showing dislike or not interested in us anymore.
Why do you say so?
In fact, Mother, let me just hold my peace.
Better know what you're doing. Now talk to me. What is it?
Mother, ever since we settled our differences, she has been acting funny.
Oh.
She's slipping away from her usual self.
Really?
Yes, I know what I'm saying. Or have you seen her ever since we settled in this house? Have you seen her?
You don't have to conclude yet. Perhaps she is busy with her father's management or something.
Come off,
Huh?
Mother.
But whatever it is, you caused it. So try and fix it. Go to your room.
Princess, what is it? Princess. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Princess, it's okay.
My daughter, you returned back to smoking? This is dangerous to your health and you know it.
So you know my daughter smokes and you've been silent about it?
Please, I will talk to her, please. I will talk to her, I beg you. Well, Dad, if you must know, Greg taught me how to smoke, drink, and do other dirty stuff.
What?
Do you expect me not to smoke?
Do you expect me not to smoke? When you all pushed me in the hands of a man who took total control of my whole life and made me voiceless. Well, Dad. If you do not know that I smoke, Mom here knows better.
This is so disheartening.
Are you ready to go? Your Majesty, she's not in the palace.
Not in her room. But we have somewhere to go this morning, and you're telling me that the princess is not in her room. My friend, will you go and get my daughter for me?
Why not call her?
I wasn't talking to you.
Your Majesty, she's not in the palace.
Okay, that's not a problem. I'll be in my chambers. As soon as she walks into this palace, let me know.
Where is my daughter?
My queen,
I saw her leaving this morning on a sportwear.
And you didn't go with her?
My queen, I wanted to go with her, but she restricted me.
If anything happens to my daughter, Franca, pray to your God. Get out! Fool!
When you find true love, hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what they'll do, yeah, I will fight for you.
Hi, good morning.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Please don't embarrass me, please.
What is it now? What? How? No, what are you doing here now? What are you doing here? How did you find me? How did you find my house?
That's the princess of this kingdom. Prince what? She's the princess. What does she want? I don't even know.
Ikenna gave me your house address. I mean, when I...
Wait, Ikenna gave you my house address for what now? Why? Ikenna, what's all this now? What's all this?
Can you take it easy? I mean no harm. I just want us to talk.
Talk? Talk about what? No, what do you want us to talk about? Talk about what now?
Okay, at least just offer me a seat. We could...
Offer you a seat? Where? Which one is seat? Which seat? Where? What's all this one now? What's this? Hey, what's this now? Hey, I don't understand this style, you? What's this now? Wake up! I don't like this, you know. I don't like this, you know. Mama, please get water. Water.
Get water, get me water.
Get water.
Get me water.
What is this now?
I asked you all a simple question. And you can't answer me, for heaven's sake! Where is my daughter? Where? Where is my daughter? Franca, where is my daughter?
I thought you said she went for jogging this morning.
Yes, my queen.
You did not follow her? You did not follow her, you swine! Ndembu. I am giving you 2 hours. Only 2 hours to locate where my daughter is, wherever she is, and bring her back to this palace. 2 hours! Else, I will gather all of you and rip you off in the royal dungeon. Now get out! Get out! Out!
Where could my daughter be?
You will join them. You will also join them. Now listen to me and listen good. If anything happens to my daughter, if anything happens to my daughter, anything happens to me.
What is going on? Where could my daughter be before?
Listen, I don't want to nurse the idea that you know where the princess is. And I wouldn't want to believe that you told her what my son said the other day.
My queen, I swear by the gods, I did not.
I don't care if you swear by the gods or not. If I am convinced that you did, you are gone. Now get out. Get out!
See me, I'm tired. I am tired. I'm very tired. Where do we find this girl now? Where do we find the princess? Here. Asking me. I don't know now. Let's just be asking questions. See, the king is very, very furious and mean. I don't want to be burnt alive. I'm the only child of my parents. I don't want to be burnt. Let's just be asking questions, please. Since we've been asking questions everywhere, me, I don't want to return to that palace, so because if we don't find this girl, me, I'm scared though. See, it's Franca that's supposed to be burnt alive for refusing to go out with the princess. Now they not put the whole blame on us. Can you imagine? I don't even know where we're going to start to ask. In fact, let's just be asking questions. Where should we start from? That's the question. Anyway, see, take this way. Let me take this way.
Okay.
Use
Okay,
that
now.
side.
This way. See, don't lose, so.
You said you came to this park last week.
Yes, my queen.
So where is my daughter? Franca, where is my daughter that I entrusted into your hands?
Ma, we came here last week. We came to look for somebody. I don't know the person.
For what? Why?
I don't know.
I'm asking you why. This is a local park. Huh? Franca. Franca.
Ma.
Pray to your God. Franca, pray to your God. Get out! Imagine. What could be the reason for coming into this dirty park? I don't understand.
Mama, hurry up.
I'm coming. Don't worry, she'll be fine. Oh, you help me lift her up. Get up, my daughter.
Please stand up. Take your medicine, eh?
Drink this. It will cure your illness.
It's okay.
Take it, my dear.
It's okay, sorry.
It's alright. No.
Sorry.
Don't do that, please. Oh, yeah, take one more.
Bring more.
Take one more, my dear.
I'll put enough inside.
Don't push it that way. It's alright, my dear.
Get well.
Don't worry.
Sorry.
It will help fight the illness completely. Okay? Sorry. Sorry.
To sleep.
Alright, my dear. Go ahead and sleep, yes?
Sleep. Mama, sleep. Mama, she says sleep.
Yes.
She was
Supposed to, the medicine is supposed to make her sleep. By the time she wakes up, she'll be totally fine.
I think invite this girl. Mama, let this girl go now. Go now.
Calm down.
Mama, let this girl go. Mama, see you see prison, oh. See you see prison, oh.
Whatever is going to happen, let it happen.
What is it now?
Mama,
How
the
did
princess.
it Nothing will happen to her.
You're too old to go to prison, oh. You're too old to go to prison, oh.
Mama, check if she's breathing. She's fine. I know what I gave her. This is my job.
Let this girl go. Let me find taxi and put her back. Let her go. Let her go.
You'll be surprised what will happen.
That she's your guest.
You're too old to go to prison, no? You're too old to go to prison, no? Okay. Okay. Sleep. So that was how we met, nothing more. Just that. Yes.
So you returned her items to her after everything?
Yes.
I know you'll return it. I know my son.
Mama,
I know you.
for the princess to come here alone, she's a good girl.
I think so too. She has bronchitis. I wish she would stay here a little longer so that I'll have time to treat her properly.
Huh? Stay here a little longer. See, once this girl wakes up, she will leave here. She will leave here. Which one is she will stay here a little longer? For what now?
Calm down. Calm down.
Mama, once this girl wakes up, she has to go. Stay here for what now?
That gets well.
Quiet. Stay. If anything happens to this girl, do you know all of us will go to prison?
I don't know how to place it. I don't know how to express it. But there's something special about this man. I really need to find him again. Oh, just like a bell it is ringing, and like a phone it is beeping right in my head. I'm supposed to tender an apology to him, saying I'm sorry for everything I've done to you. I'm sorry. Please accept my apology. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. Oh, I say I'm sorry. I know I really hurt you. Anything where you be, oh, find a place in your heart to forgive me, oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I think I'm in love, oh. Why am I feeling this way? It's still ringing again, like a ding dong. I think I'm in love, oh. Why am I feeling this way? I don't know how to place it. I don't know how to express it.
My mom is into alternative medicine. I mean native medicine. She deals with roots and herbs.
I see.
Well, she also said you have bronchitis.
Yeah, that's true. It started when I was a child. At some point, I thought it had gone forever. But to my utmost surprise, it came back 2 years ago.
Wow. Well, I'm sorry about that. But trust me when I say my mother knows what she's doing. She will do something about it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm very sorry for the manner in which I spoke to you the other day. Actually, I am not that kind of person. That there was really so broken because I caught my fiancé sleeping with a white girl while I was sick, very sick. So, that day you met me, I was just returning back. So angry. So angry because I was mad at everything and everyone. But I'm sorry for the transfer of aggression.
Yeah, it's okay. It's all right. I'm also sorry. I mean, the day I carried you in my car, I was going through emotional torture myself. I caught my girlfriend with a man whom was old enough to be her father. And this is a girl I thought I was going to marry. You know, she was actually the same girl, you saw the other day, yes.
Really?
Yes. So, I'm really sorry for being so harsh, towards you. I'm very sorry.
Wow.
Yeah. But one thing is, I will never ever love again. Never.
Love. Love hurts.
Princess, your food is ready.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Shall we?
Your Highness, please. Please, can you just calm down? I believe my men will find her. Yes. Did you say calm down? All right. Look at your wristwatch. What time is it? Your Highness, it's just 6 in the evening. 6 in the evening? Did you hear that? 6 in the evening for a girl that left this palace since morning? Now tell them, let no one kidnap my daughter. Because if they do, I will pay the ransom. Yes, I will. I will pay. But I will spend the rest of my life to fish out the persons involved, and I'll make sure that I kill them. Kill them!
Your Majesty, please let us not conclude on that. I believe she will come back.
She's here. Your Highness, she's here. She's back. I told you.
Wow. Are you alright?
Welcome.
Sit.
Hi.
Madam, you're welcome.
Where have you been, Eva?
You're welcome.
Where have you been?
Young lady, where are you coming from? Answer me!
Igwe, please. You're welcome home.
I went to see a friend and I passed out.
Pass out, quoi?
You're welcome, my love. So sorry about that. So sorry. You're welcome, okay? I hope you're alright. You're welcome.
went to visit a friend and she passed out.
Was she drunk or something?
I don't know. Why not go to her kingdom and ask her?
Eva doesn't have a friend I do not know of. Let me call her.
Young lady, who is that person that you went to see and passed out in his place for the past 8 hours?
My lord, please, take it easy on her.
I am not talking to you. And don't you ever tell me to take it easy. Now speak to me. I command you.
Okechukwu is his name.
Okay, what? Is it someone I know?
He's the taxi driver.
Oh no. Eva.
Taxi Guinea. No, princess. Princess, I know that you joke a lot, okay? And just tell me that this is one of your jokes.
Dad, it is high time I made my own decision and chose my friends. I cannot continue to abide by some rules that are not healthy for me. Mom, please. I cannot, Dad. I just can't. I'm sorry, sir.
Now listen to me. Let me never hear that this little brat left this palace to go and see who I don't know. Without my approval, I will kill you. I will skin you alive.
I do not, Greg. I do not owe you any explanation as to wherever I go to. You're not yet married to me, and I do not see that happening. I don't even see that happening because I am done with your cheating ass, Greg. I'm done.
Eva, why are you doing this?
I don't understand, Mom. Can't I have a friend?
Okechukwu is just a village taxi driver.
Mom, Okechukwu is a graduate. A graduate of banking and finance. It's just because of the situation of the country that has resulted him into being a taxi driver. And I see absolutely nothing wrong with that, Mom. Nothing. Not like he's stealing. Mom, that guy has visions and dreams. So many billionaires in the society today became billionaires by just being mere drivers. Bus drivers or taxi drivers. So there's nothing wrong with being a taxi driver, Mom. Nothing wrong with it.
My daughter.
Mom, sometimes I ask myself, what kind of sacrifice did you and Dad make that binded me with a cheat, a chain smoker, someone who cares not about my feelings nor my emotions. Who has influenced me and does not give a hoot about my health. When he sees you and Dad, he pretends. Meanwhile, he cares about nothing, bragging he owns my life and all. Mom, Okechukwu's mother is a herbalist, and she has assigned herbal medication on me for 1 full week. Do you want me to neglect my health?
Eva.
Mom, please. I just pray that someday you and Father will see the beast in Greg. I'm done.
Bro.
My prince.
Someone is toiling with my baby's head. Something is about to go wrong. Find out who the person is. Okay?
Yes, my prince.
I want to see results. All I need is results. Don't come back without results.
Trust me, my prince.
Nobody try and seize my capability and remain the same. Nobody.
Amara! Is this how you normally leave your office post and you'll be going there?
Sorry, ma, I was eating.
How will a customer see you when you are seated there?
I'm sorry.
Sit!
Sorry, ma.
Sit down. This is 500,000. I want to go across the road to get something.
Okay, ma.
Listen to me. I don't want to hear any stories. Did you hear me?
Yes, ma.
I don't want to hear any stories.
Yes, ma. Yes,
Just
ma.
manage this money very well, okay?
Yes, ma.
Amara, are you hearing me?
Yes, ma.
I said I don't want to hear any stories.
Yes, ma.
Okay. Amara, did you hear me?
Yes, ma.
Usigini. Listen, I told my uncle.
Yes, ma.
Amara! 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 Where did this girl go to now? Amara! I told this girl to stay in this place. Now where did she go to? For here. Amara!
Hey, switched off. Switched off. This girl has switched her phone.
Amara! Amara!
My 500,000. My 500,000. My 500.
Amara! Hey! Hey!
Joe, where are you going to?
My mother preferred these herbs for the princess. So I'm going to the palace to give to her.
Is she sick?
Don't worry, it's nothing serious.
Oh, okay.
My name is not Chonhu now.
Choma. Okay, sorry. I've been begging you now, please.
Begging me for what?
They like just love of my life now, please.
Izu, I've told you that I want us to be just friends in this village. And I'm still saying it again. Please, I just want you to be my paddy, my body in this village. That's all. You cannot be my boyfriend now. Stop it.
Cool now. I've been your body. Don't see what I'm asking. Like like paternal love now.
If it is plasma or placenta or plastic, whatever love you call it, Izu, I don't want us to be friends like boyfriend and girlfriend. I don't want any boyfriend and girlfriend. All I want us to be is paddy. You be protecting me, guiding me, bodyguarding me, doing everything for me. That's all I want.
I'm doing all these things now. No, because I don't know. I've been begging you now, please.
Oh, Izu, stop it. Please come and follow me to the palace. Let's go.
Please now.
Follow me to the palace.
Okay, I will follow you. I've been your protector now.
You're my friend in this village, and that's all.
You're welcome, my queen. Where is your son?
He went to work. I hope all is well, my queen. Keep this message for your son. Tell him I will not want to see him anywhere close to my daughter again. Do you understand English? Yes, my queen. For your own good. Tell him to stay clear. If I see him anywhere close to my daughter again, I will kill him. Hey!
Get out of this place! Get out! Get inside! Get out! No more! No more! Whatever rubbish they put here, no more! No more! No more! No more! No more! Enough! Enough! John, right?
Yeah.
You're John.
Yes, sir.
You are the owner of the taxi that boy called Okechukwu is driving all around town.
Yes, sir.
Now listen to me. I am the king of this community. And I want you to go and take your taxi from that boy. If I ever hear that boy is still driving your taxi in this community, John, don't dare me. I will make this place a living hell for you. Now go!
Thank you.
Get out! Get out!
I hope no problem.
Get out!
I said I'm going to see Greg.
You are going to see Greg.
That is what she said.
The guards will go with you.
Fine. Let them come with me. All the guards, all the ladies, all of you, you can come with me. Let them come with me. Let's go, no problem. You all can come with me. Let's go and see the love of my life. Sure, right? No problem. Let them come. Since I can no longer be trusted in this palace again.
My king, let her go, please. Let her go with Franca.
I said the guards will go with her and not Franca.
And I also said no problem. Let the guards come with me. No problem. Alas.